Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student at home, welcome to CTY learning program. My name is Sulaiman Abbas, your mathematics teacher. As you have been informed, we have started our third term in earnest, as in third term work. Though we are not in school, but still we still enjoy our studies from home. The topic for today is angle properties of parallel line, which is the first topic for the term. Parallel lines. In geometry, parallel lines can be defined as two lines in the same plane that are equal distance at each other and never meet. If you look at the example given here, in this example, we have two parallel lines there. They go in the same direction, but they did not meet. And the second one that face down, that one too, they go in the same direction, but they did not meet. They are parallel lines. Angles of parallel lines. These are the angles formed by parallel lines and transversal. A transversal is the line that bisect parallel lines and give angles. The angles formed by parallel line and the transversal, they are the angle you are seeing here, angle A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Angles of parallel lines. The angles of parallel line include the following: corresponding angles, alternate angles, angle on a straight line, vertical opposite angle, interior opposite angle, and supplementary angles. The properties. Corresponding angle. The corresponding angles are equal. When two angles correspond, it means they will have the same value. If the line cut by transversal are parallel, then the corresponding angles there are congruent. It means they have the same value. In the figure above, the corresponding angles are A and E, C and G, B and F, then D and H, as you can see. This means the value of the two angles are equal. The second one is alternate angles. We call these Z angles. The properties, the alternate angles are equal. So as you can see, the marked angles there, they are alternate. Hence, they are equal. Angles on a straight line. The property, the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. You can see from here, we have A and B up here. They fall on this straight line. That's when you add A and B, it gives you 180. C plus D, 180 degrees. E plus F, 180. G plus H, 180. A plus C, 180. B plus D, 180. E plus G, 180. And F plus H will give us 180. This is because they falls on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Example. Look at this example number 1. We have to find the lettered angles in the following figure. This is given. We could start from any alphabet. Just so when you know the properties of all the angles on parallel line and transversal. From number 1, you can start with X. Your X is equal to 75 degrees because they are corresponding angles. X corresponds to 75. Then go to Y. Y alternate X. X is equal to Y, alternate angles. Then look at Y and O. Y corresponds to O. Angle O and angle Y, they are corresponding angles. If you look at N plus O will give us 180 degrees. They are on a straight line too. You know, when I was explaining, I said N and O. N plus O will give you 180 degrees. So when you and you've gotten N and O will give you 180 degrees. Then for Y corresponds to O. This is now the workings. Angle X is equal to 75 degrees, corresponding angles. Angle X is equal to angle Y is equal to 75 degrees, alternate angles. Angle M plus 75 is equal to 180 degrees. That is sum of angle on a straight line. So that one leads to an equation. When your M is equal to 180 minus 75, your M is equal to 105 degrees. Your M, that is angle M, is equal to angle N. Both of them, they are equal to 105 degrees because they are corresponding angles. Your Y is equal to O is equal to 75 degrees. They are also corresponding angles. Example 2. If you look at the example where we have A, B, C, D, then an angle is given to be 120 degrees. Your angle B is equal to 120 degrees, corresponding angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. That is, sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So that one leads to an equation. A plus 120 is equal to 180. A is equal to 180 minus 120. That gives us 60 degrees. Therefore, your A is equal to 60 degrees. Your A is equal to, your angle A is equal to angle D. And both of them, they are equal to 60 degrees because they are corresponding angles. C is equal to 120. If you look at the question, your angle C and angle and 120, they are alternate angles. That's why I said C is equal to 120 degrees. Dear student at home, this is where we are going to stop this morning. You do the assignment on assignment portal. When you submit it, I will mark, so I will know if you have you've gotten this word. Then we are going to move to vertical opposite angle, interior opposite angle, and supplementary angle. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.